I think the information shared during the workshop was quite pertinent to the times we are right now, pertinent to the market situation, pertinent to the industry in particular, and quite helpful to anyone looking to start up in recruitment services. So I attended the workshop a while back for the first time about a few years ago, and at the time I wasn't in a position to take advantage of the opportunity. But now I'm looking to go ahead and take advantage of the opportunity. Well, I had to come back to the workshop to get, as it is, maybe more or better informed, because the market has obviously changed from what it was when I came in. And today I find that there were a lot more things shared. So now I believe I have a better understanding of what the market is like right now, and I'm better informed to go ahead with the opportunity. Cost of entry isn't prohibitive at all. So with respect to work from home opportunity within this, it's important to understand that pretty much everyone is having some challenges with some sort of cost of living crisis, and everyone is looking to find some sort of a balance or work-life balance. This workshop offers you a step-by-step guide to get that balance while not disrupting very much your current way of living. You can still maintain your day job while working on the side until at such a time when this opportunity will then get you to a position where you can then leave your day job and be in better control of your time. So most of us are time poor, and that's really the challenge for most people. This opportunity can help us, or help me in particular, being time poor to being time rich. What motivated me to attend the workshop was a desire to be of service to people that I know who are looking for the right job roles for them, as well as the potential to be my own boss while having time enough for my family. Those are the main three driving factors for me.